Hey.
Hey.
Labas.
Peace.
Good evening.
So you are from
Riga, Latvia.
Riga. Okay.
And I'm going to be singing my own original song.
Okay, that's nice. Mes dabar klausysim jo kūrybos dainos. Sėkmės tau. Good luck for you.
Thank you. I want to hear you guys. Yeah. I just want to be right next to you. Looking in your eyes, see they're so blue. It feels like butterflies when I see you smiling my way. It feels like something's missing when you turn your back and walk away. I don't know what you're doing, girl, but seems like heaven is the thing for you. Tonight is the perfect night to make you smile one more time. I can see you looking at me when we pass each other on the street. Sparks are flying, stop this hiding, you belong with me. It sounds like a summer's breeze when you say hello to me. My heart beats twice its speed when we hold hands by the sea. I don't know what you're doing, girl, but seems like everyone has a thing for you. Tonight is a perfect night to make you smile one more time. I can see you looking at me. I just wanna be right next to you. Sparks are flying, stop this hiding. Look in your eyes, see it, that's all blue. I can see you looking at me. I just wanna be right next to you. Sparks are flying, stop this hiding. You belong with me.
This time, I think I'm falling in love.
This time, you're sent from heaven above.
Okay. I like you even more now. Tai, ką jūs galvojate, vyrai, mūrai, ąžuolai?
Aš galvoju, kad viskas puikiai. Yra bėda, kad vienintelė, kad tu turi turėti ko gero trigubą X faktorių, kad nugalėtum svetimoje šalyje. Čia vienintelė problema.
Samai?
Aš galvoju, kad čia yra geras startas kitoj šaly pasidaryti populiarių. Ir viskas. Ir tu tai turi visus šansus. Viskas.
O man atrodo, kad tu turi visus šansus ir aš labai džiaugiuosi, kad tu šiandien esi pas mus. Ir tu geras dainininkas, tu geras performeris ir tu turi gerą pulsaciją iš savęs.
Thank you.
Aš labai trumpai. Aš taip pat manau, kad tu gyveni muziką, tu esi pasiruošęs iššūkiams, tu nieko nebijai ir esi iš tokių pozityvių žmonių, kurie iššūkių laukia. That's it.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Taip.
Taip, da, yes, of course.
Yeah, taip.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye.
Sveikas. Patiko pasirodymas? Nori dar? Spausk prenumeruoti ir nepraleisk naujų video. O visą informaciją apie X Faktorių ieškok naujienų portale tv3.lt.